Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a powerful Abaqus plugin that I developed as part of my PhD thesis. If you are interested in more details, I've included a link to my thesis and some related papers in the video description below. So in this video I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing the plugin on your system. For this we'll be following 5 straightforward steps. But before that I will also show you an additional step, step 0. It's not mandatory, but it's highly recommended. It will make things clearer, especially if you're new to Abaqus and plugin installation. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. Step 0. Let's start Abaqus, check the plugins list, and then close Abaqus. In today's tutorial I will use the Abaqus student version. If you navigate to the plugins section, you will see that there are no additional plugins except for the ones that come pre-installed with the software. Okay, so let's close Abaqus. Step 1. Let's search for the Abaqus plugin folder on our computer and save the path. Let's open File Explorer and search for the Abaqus plugins directory. This may take a moment, so I'll fast forward the video. After the search is complete, you will likely see more folders with this name, so I recommend choosing the one that corresponds to your username. So in my case will be this, the first one. Step 2. Let's now download the plugin from GitHub. Open your web browser and search for GitHub. Search for ABQ TCPhd. Select the repository. On the repository, make sure that you are in the code section. Once you are there, position the mouse cursor above the green button, click on the downward arrow and select Download Zip. And now the plugin is downloaded and saved to your computer. Step 3. Unarchive the plugin. Double click on the downloaded archive, copy the main folder, go back and paste. Step 4. Now let's copy the ABQ TCPhd folder to the path from step 1. Now let's enter the folder which we extracted previously and copy this folder, ABQ TCPhd, to the path from step 1. Step number 5, we will restart Abaqus and recheck the plugins list. Let's navigate to the plugin section again, and now as you can see a new option appeared, create tubular column with socket faces. This means that the Abaqus plugin was installed successfully, and as you can see it runs. By following these simple steps, you have successfully downloaded and installed the Abaqus plugin. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider giving a thumbs up and sharing with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.